Hi and welcome to Wild Realm Safari, our wild world of superpowered animals. Basic beasts need not apply. Check out these 10 animals with incredible superpowers that you may never have heard of. From sonic blasts to immortality, these animals have powers that would make even the most imaginative comic book writer envious. Join me as we explore the remarkable adaptations that allow these animals to thrive in their respective corners of the globe. Let's get started. Our journey begins in the shallow tropical waters of the ocean, home to a creature that packs a punch far exceeding its size. This fascinating crustacean is the pistol shrimp. One of its claws is vastly oversized, resembling a boxing glove more than a pincer. This claw is the source of the pistol shrimp's superpower, a sonic blast so powerful it can stun prey and even crack glass. When the claw snaps shut, it forces out a jet of water at incredible speed, creating a cavitation bubble. This bubble can travel at speeds up to 56 miles per hour and is loud, with a recorded sound of 218 decibels, louder than a speeding bullet. This bubble collapses with tremendous energy, generating intense heat reaching 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4,427 degrees Celsius, just shy of the surface temperature of the sun. Fortunately, this effect only lasts milliseconds, but the shockwave from this sonic blast is enough to stun small fish and other crustaceans, making for an easy meal for the pistol shrimp. Our next stop takes us to the forests and woodlands, where we encounter the bombardier beetle. This beetle can launch a boiling hot, toxic spray with astonishing accuracy. Within the beetle's abdomen lie two separate chambers, each containing a unique mixture of chemicals. When threatened, the beetle mixes these chemicals together, creating a violent explosion of noxious, boiling liquid. This scalding spray can reach temperatures of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the boiling point of water. The bombardier beetle can aim its defensive spray with remarkable precision, rotating its abdomen to target its attacker. Now, let's dive into the ocean depths to meet a true master of disguise, the cuttlefish. This remarkable cephalopod can alter its appearance in an instant. Underneath its skin lies a sophisticated network of pigment-filled cells known as chromatophores. These chromatophores are controlled by muscles, enabling the cuttlefish to expand or contract them, revealing or hiding different pigments. It can also change its skin texture, forming bumps and ridges to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. The cuttlefish uses this incredible camouflage to ambush prey and evade predators. It can even communicate with other cuttlefish through intricate patterns of flashing colors. So next time you're exploring the underwater world, be on the lookout for the cuttlefish, the ultimate master of disguise. Our journey now takes us to the ancient lakes of Mexico, where we encounter the remarkable axolotl, a creature that has fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. This unique amphibian possesses an extraordinary power, the power of regeneration, a trait that sets it apart from most other creatures on Earth. The axolotl can regrow lost limbs, repair damaged organs, and even regenerate portions of its brain, showcasing a remarkable resilience and adaptability. Unlike most amphibians, the axolotl retains its juvenile aquatic form throughout its life, a phenomenon known as neoteny, which allows it to remain in its larval stage indefinitely. When an axolotl loses a limb, specialized cells at the site of the wound begin to multiply and differentiate, initiating a complex and highly coordinated process of regeneration. These cells, known as blastomas, have the remarkable ability to develop into any type of tissue needed to replace the missing body part, whether it be muscle, bone, or nerve tissue. The axolotl can also regenerate its spinal cords, heart muscle, and even portions of their brains, a feat that continues to baffle and inspire scientists. These fascinating creatures continue to inspire researchers and offer hope for medical breakthroughs in the field of regenerative medicine, potentially paving the way for new treatments for human injuries and diseases. So as we marvel at the axolotl's ability to regenerate lost body parts, let us also appreciate the intricate mechanisms that govern this process and the potential it holds for the future. Our journey into the realm of extraordinary animal abilities brings us to the vast oceans, where we meet the immortal jellyfish. This remarkable jellyfish defies death, rewinding the clock to become a younger version of itself. The key to the immortal jellyfish's endless life is a process known as transdifferentiation. When confronted with environmental stress, this jellyfish can reset its life cycle. Imagine if we could become young again every time we faced a challenge. Instead of dying, the immortal jellyfish's cells revert to an earlier state, forming a cyst-like structure. From this cyst, a new polyp colony emerges, genetically identical to the original jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish's ability to cycle through its life stages challenges our very understanding of aging and mortality. From the depths of the ocean, we now soar to the skies, where we encounter the peregrine falcon. This bird of prey is the fastest animal on the planet. The peregrine falcon can reach speeds that rival a racing car. With its streamlined body and powerful chest muscles, the peregrine falcon is a marvel of aerodynamic design. When it spots its prey, the peregrine falcon enters a steep dive known as a stoop. It plummets towards the earth at astonishing speeds, reaching over 240 miles per hour. The peregrine falcon uses its incredible eyesight to track its target's every move. At the last moment, it strikes its prey with its talons, delivering a blow so powerful that it can often kill instantly. Our journey into animal superpowers now takes us underground, into the intriguing world of the naked mole rat. Are they so ugly that they are cute? This remarkable rodent can shrug off pain, resist cancer, and live for decades, defying the typical lifespan of most rodents. The naked mole rat has a significantly reduced number of pain receptors in its skin, which means it feels far less pain than other animals. Their nervous systems are uniquely wired, making them remarkably resistant to pain. This adaptation allows them to thrive in their harsh underground environment. Living in crowded burrows with high levels of carbon dioxide and ammonia, naked mole rats tolerate these harsh conditions with ease, showcasing their incredible resilience. These creatures are also remarkably resistant to cancer, a trait that has fascinated scientists for years. Researchers have identified several factors that contribute to their cancer resistance, including a unique gene that prevents cells from dividing uncontrollably, effectively stopping cancer in its tracks. Naked mole rats can live for more than 3 decades, making them the longest-lived rodents known to science. Their longevity is a subject of intense study. Their impressive longevity is linked to their low metabolic rate, efficient cellular repair mechanisms, and resistance to oxidative stress, which together contribute to their extended lifespan and overall health. Our journey now takes us to warmer climates around the world, where we encounter the various species of gecko. These small, agile lizards can walk up walls, across ceilings, and even on panes of glass. The secret to the gecko's climbing abilities lies in the millions of microscopic hairs called setae that cover the bottom of its feet. These setae interact with the molecules of surfaces at the nanoscale, creating a weak attractive force known as van der Waals forces. The combined force of millions of these tiny interactions is strong enough to support the gecko's weight. Some geckos can also shed their tail as a defense mechanism when threatened by predators. The detached tail continues to wriggle, distracting the predator while the gecko makes its escape. Some geckos, like the leopard gecko, can regenerate their lost tail. Others, like the crested gecko, cannot. Our journey into the realm of extraordinary animal abilities now brings us to Australia, where we find the platypus, an animal that looks like an otter disguised as a duck. This semi-aquatic creature boasts a unique superpower, electroreception. The platypus can perceive its environment through electrical fields, sensing the slightest muscle movements of its prey. The platypus's electroreception is enabled by specialized sensory organs known as electroreceptors, situated in its duck-billed snout. These electroreceptors detect the weak electrical fields produced by the muscle contractions of its prey. The electrical signals captured by its electroreceptors are processed by its brain, allowing it to locate its prey with astonishing precision. The platypus, a true marvel of the animal kingdom, reminds us that nature is brimming with wonders. Our journey now takes us to the warmer regions of our planet, where we meet the golden silk orb weaver spider, a true marvel of nature. These spiders are celebrated for their intricate webs, which are not only beautiful, but also incredibly strong. The silk they produce is one of the toughest natural fibers known to man, the golden silk orb weaver. Spider silk is produced by specialized glands located in its abdomen. These glands are a marvel of biological engineering. These glands secrete a liquid protein that hardens upon contact with air, forming the strong, flexible fibers that make up the spider's web. This transformation from liquid to solid is a fascinating process. The spider can produce up to 7 different types of silk, each with its own unique properties and purpose. Some are sticky for trapping prey, while others are used for structural support. The web is designed to absorb the impact of flying prey, trapping it within its sticky threads. This ensures that the spider's next meal is securely caught. The golden silk orb weaver. Spider's silk is also used for creating egg sacs, wrapping prey, and even ballooning. Ballooning allows young spiders to disperse by floating on the wind. Imagine them landing on your face. The remarkable properties of spider silk have inspired research into its potential applications in medicine, materials science, and aerospace engineering. Scientists are exploring ways to replicate this natural wonder for human use. The golden silk orb weaver spider, with its mastery of silk spinning, reminds us that even the smallest creatures can possess extraordinary abilities. Their silk is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the intricate beauty of the natural world. Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure through the world of superpowered animals. From the sonic blasts of the pistol shrimp to the regenerative powers of the axolotl and the mind-boggling longevity of the naked mole rat, we've explored some of the most incredible adaptations in the animal kingdom. These creatures remind us that the natural world is full of weird wonder, and that even the smallest and most unassuming animals can possess extraordinary abilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.